Hi, today I will show you how to use Gemini AI in n8n. So, first, set up your Gemini API access. Navigate to Google Studio and copy your API key from Gemini. So, obtain your Gemini API key by signing in or logging into Gemini Developer Portal. Note your API endpoints and authentication details. Then navigate to n8n and in your workflow, add an HTTP request. Click on it and you will see this page. Now, set the method to post. After you do this, you'll have to simply enter the Gemini API endpoint URL and in the header section, add your API key for authentication. For example, authorization, bearer, and your Gemini API key. Now in the body, enter the data app or prompt you want Gemini to process, usually JSON. So turn on the body and configure request data. So set the body content to the required JSON format, such as prompt your message or instruction for Gemini, and choose the content type as application or general. Now, after the HTTP request node, add an additional n8n nodes such as set, function, etc. to process the AI's response for further automation. Now, integrate in workflows. So use triggers such as webhook, schedule, or any app-specific node to run this workflow. Route output from Gemini into emails, Slack, Discord, databases, or any other n8n supported service based on your automation goals. Tips: thoroughly check Gemini's API documentation for parameter formatting and model options. Secure your API credentials and avoid exposing them in public workflow. Also, for reported heavy use, consider pagination and rate limiting based on your Gemini plan. This setup allows you to integrate Gemini's AI capabilities like text generation, summarization, and analysis directly in your n8n automation workflow. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.